Sending money on Crypto.com is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Create an account. To start, download the Crypto.com app and create an account. You will need to provide your email address, create a password, and complete the identity verification process. Step 2. Fund your account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency. After funding your account, navigate to the wallet section. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Make sure you have enough balance to cover the amount you want to send and any transaction fees. Step 4. Enter recipient details. Click on the send option for the selected cryptocurrency. Enter the recipient's wallet address carefully. You can also scan a QR code if the recipient provides one. Double check the address to avoid any mistakes. Step 5. Confirm and send. Review all the transaction details, including the amount and recipient address. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. You will receive a notification once the transfer is complete. By following these steps, you can easily send money on Crypto.com. Always ensure you are sending to the correct address and keep your account secure.